Class 5 General Science Notes. Lecture number 11. All mind maps, for Class 5 Centralized Exams. Mind map of diseases caused by microorganisms. Diseases caused by bacteria are cholera, tuberculosis, typhoid. Diseases caused by virus are polio, flu, COVID-19. Diseases caused by fungi are athlete foot, rust, ringworm. Mind map of effects of pollution. Effects of land pollution are occupy space, diseases, less fertile soil. Effects of water pollution are risk of life to animals, human being, plants. Diseases caused by water pollution, cholera, typhoid. Effects of air pollution are ozone depletion, global warming. Diseases caused by air pollution, lung cancer, asthma. Mind map of luminous and non-luminous objects. Types of objects. There are two types of objects, luminous and non-luminous. Luminous. They give off light. They are natural. Examples: the sun, man-made. Examples: candle. Non-luminous. They do not give off light. They are further divided into three types. Transparent objects. Light can pass through it. Example: glass. Translucent objects. Light passing partially. Example: frosted glass. Opaque objects. Light cannot pass. Example: wood. Mind map of components of the water cycle. Components of water cycle are evaporation, as a water vapor, transpiration from plants, condensation of water vapor as a cloud, fog, precipitation from the clouds as rain, hail, snow. After precipitation, the water is collected in river, pond, canal, ocean, ice cover and as underground water. Mind map of uses of satellites. The uses of satellites are communication, navigation, worldwide broadcast, weather forecast, safety, GPS, military uses, climate and environmental monitoring, business and finance, geographical survey.